My relative's daughter had appeared for her undergraduate BA exams. When the results came, there was disappointment in the air. She had scored just 30 marks in English, whereas the passing marks were 33. She had failed. The result card was in her hands, and sadness filled the home. Her family reached out to me and asked for prayers. I decided to do something simple yet powerful. After Maghrib prayer, I began reciting Salawat for her success, with complete faith in Allah's mercy. Days passed, and then something amazing happened. A new result card arrived from the university. This time her English marks were not 30, they were 70. She had passed with flying colours. The joy in the family was beyond words. They even kept both result cards, one showing failure and the other showing success. It was a reminder for everyone that sometimes Dua and Salawat open doors that seem closed.